Bringing InSource in really helped us to put together a systematic approach about how we go about doing our work and holding people accountable and executing our plans is much more efficient today than it was yesterday. What you'll find when you walk in the doors of the Archway plant is a sign, and it says, "The headquarters of the world's nicest people." Ashton runs the brands of Archway, Stellador, and Salerno, and they are a high premium cookie that we are very proud to bake. We have about 160 employees that have a lot of pride in the brands and really want to do a good job.
I definitely take pride in the success of the plant. It's a smaller community. When you're out and about and you're wearing like your Snyders Lance shirt, you see a lot of people out, and they recognize you, and they've asked me if I had cookies on me. So, it's just one of those stronghold companies.
We make the best cookies that you'll ever eat. Bottom line.
Before InSource, we were kind of like across the board, not really consistent.
A lot of the frustration was from shift to shift, they didn't do things the same.
Felt like I was fighting fires all the time, not getting anything done.
When we did have issues rise on the floor, they didn't really get followed up on right away. A lot of times stuff would just kind of get put on the back burner, and we wouldn't really keep track of it.
At first, when it was communicated to us that InSource was coming in to work with us, started thinking, why?
There was a lot of skepticism going into it. Bringing InSource in really helped us define what that path is and really put it into a process where you had the engagement of the people, the process, and the environment. It really started to come together once we got the team leads involved in it.
I definitely feel like we're doing a lot better since we started with InSource, because we're focusing more on problems that we had, and everyone's moving forward and trying to work together to solve the problems.
So I would say they know what they're doing. You can tell they've been in the business for a while.
The work that we do today is much more efficient. It's about doing better today than we did yesterday and better tomorrow than we did today.